viewers and listeners, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will briefly show you some Excel tasks starting from the basics to a more advanced level. This is very important both for beginners and for those working in the field of data entry. So let's get started. First of all, we can take a file, Excel file, new Excel, Microsoft Excel. Tells you for making data for the whole employees. So what can be done? First of all, you can take row, column, required column, that is serial number, then name, designation, then ID number, then district, then basic pay, then date of birth, then date of joining, then date of PRL, then remaining job, and so on. So we can count it. House rent, first of all we select and format. From format we can auto fit column with, and now we can give here serial number. You can notice here number 1, number 2, then you don't need to write another 3, 4, 5, 6, because just you can select, and when this cursor is like that, just you can handle how many needed you can. Okay, and next you can write your name, suppose Mr. Rusho, and Abdul Bakir and Abdul Salam. Abdul Salam. And next Shurunjit and John. Like this you can write it down, many names, no problem. Baraka, Shariful, Bilal, Shomo, and Roshni. Okay, and then here also you can select all the rows and format here column, auto fit column with. Okay, next designation. So designation, suppose your office possesses 5 or 6 or 10 designations. So every time you can't write here fully. That's why first of all, if you make it easily from formula, next just you can select here and go to the data. From data you can take data validation and data validation here. Now you can click here list. Okay, list, and you can, what is the source, you can write here designation, suppose director, comma, additional director. I can write here shortly deputy director, senior assistant director, assistant director, admin officer, computer operator. Okay, now you can fill handle here. I have already showed fill handle. How can do you fill handle? Just here you can, when cursor will be like this, you can, what is this, this is okay. Now you can just click in this row, what is the designation, you can click here. Suppose Mr. Rusho is director, you can click director, and next Abdul Bashir is also additional director, you can click here, and next Abdul Salam is also deputy director, you can click here, and next Shiranjit is also senior assistant director, and next John is also assistant director, and Barakat is also admin officer, and Shariful is also computer operator. Like this you can, deputy director, Shummo is additional director, and Roshni is also director. By the fill handle you can do this work, data entry. And next, this is a very fantastic work, ID number. How can you give here ID number? In this case you can click here, that is select first row and click right button and go to format cell. From here you can give here custom, right, custom, and this one you can click here and delete it, backspace by backspace, just inverted comma, and suppose your company is Square Pharmaceuticals, Square Pharmaceuticals, oblique, the department is human resource, oblique, you can come closing inverted comma, then you can give here 0 0 0. Okay, now this one you can select and fill handle. Okay, now you can write here only the number. Suppose Mr. Rusho is the ID number is 23, and enter. Just you can take here Square HR department and 023. Mr. Bashir, you can give here 98, just 98. It will be written here Square HR department and 098. Like this way you can give all the ID number for the employees.